Peace to the gods and goddesses. I'm inspired to share a message about sharing about the B6 diet. Ready? Take a look at this for a second. I'm gonna read it out loud. I know it's kind of small, I can't see, but I'm gonna end up reading it out loud. Let's see. Alright, I'll read it. The B6 diet: potatoes, avocados, tomatoes, bananas, nuts, all other organic fruits with seeds. Right here, you see these pictures? The nuts, avocados, tomatoes, bananas, more nuts. Look, right here, I don't know if you can see it, but it says, this little picture says, golden rule, no seed, no eat. Golden rule, no seed, no eat. Alright? Right here, I'm about to describe what it breaks down about the B6 diet. The brain and nervous system health. Okay, very important. Vitamin B6 is one of several B vitamins required for proper production of messaging molecules in our nervous system and brain, called neurotransmitters. 3 key neurotransmitters, namely GABA, GABA, dopamine, and serotonin, all require vitamin B6 for synthesis. Okay? Just as an example of how important this nutrient can be to proper brain and nervous system function, there's a condition called pyridoxine-dependent epilepsy. So, pyridoxine-dependent epilepsy, where a genetic mutation interferes with normal B6 function. Okay? In people who have this mutation, the brain does not develop properly, and epileptic seizures are experienced beginning in infancy. Luckily, this condition is rare. However, we may be at risk of other more common problems that can be brain and nervous system related if our B6 intake is poor. Okay? Depression is a good example in this area. Researchers in Japan have found that the risk of depressed mood is higher in people with lower levels of vitamin B6 in their diet in comparison with the general population. Another research group concluded that this link between risk of depression and B6 intake becomes even stronger when dietary folic acid, a nutrient that works very closely with vitamin B6 in brain and nervous system chemistry, is deficient as well. Alright? Recent research has also begun to indicate a link between B6 deficiency and risk of development for attention deficit disorder, ADHD. Alright? So once again, we are looking at the possible widespread importance of B6 for brain and nervous system support. Reflect the light, achieve. 3 is free. I love myself.